So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the latest stock market news here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up here on the main screen, you can just scroll down to where it says trending news right here. But if you're only looking for news related to the stock market, for example, you can go ahead here to the top left, pressing the arrow, then go down to where it says market news, and then press on top market news. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select the market news right here. So there's a variety of different articles based on the latest stock market news. Also, too, you can go to where it says stock analysis and then stock ideas or etc. Or you can even go down to where it says news right here. You can scroll down to the bottom. All the way to whatever you're looking for. So if you want to view, tech stock news, for instance, you can press on that, or healthcare stock news, whatever the case may be, energy stock news, for example. Then you can go ahead and see the latest news pertaining to those specific stocks. So very simple, very straightforward. But this is how to find the latest stock market news on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.